So all you do is go into Sonos App, and so you got Sonos Ace, hit swap. Now the audio is coming through my Sonos Ace. So you can't hear it because it's coming through my Sonos Ace. To swap back, all I do is hit swap back. And before I do, I can choose the volume level of the speakers. So I'm going to make them lower. I'm going to put them down to 6 and swap back. See, now the volume's through the speakers, but it's super low because I selected 6 before I swap back. Now that's a real world use case, because you may be watching TV, maybe you watched a long movie with your Sonos Ace headphones and it's late at night, but you want to swap back to the TV, but you don't want to wake people up. So that's why you would do that volume reduction before you swap back. Completely optional. Now to swap back again, I just hit swap. Now the audio is coming through the Sonos Ace. And there's also this physical button on the back, this little silver button. You can hit that silver button. I think it's an extended press. Let me see. Or is it up? No, up is volume, down is volume. So you can, this little silver button, instead of using the swap option in the app, you can push this little silver button. And you can see in the app, I didn't touch the app. Watch, I'm not touching the app. Swap back and forth, man. So now what I'm going to do is swap back to my headphones, to my Sonos Ace. And I'm going to talk about this. There's been a lot of hate, angry, mean, nasty, vicious comments about Sonos Ace. And that's how well it works. Now I do want to preface this, well, not preface it because I've already demonstrated it, but if you want to use audio swap between your compatible Sonos Soundbar at the time of posting this video, Sonos being Gen 2, which I have here, Sonos Arc, which I have in the other room, and I think Sonos Ray may be compatible, but check the details. But I know the Sonos being Gen 2 and Sonos Arc are compatible with this. The first thing you want to do when you get Sonos Ace, and by the way, expand this video's description, click the link there to find where to order Sonos Ace, different colors, and then also the Sonos Soundbars. But you're going to want to go into the Sonos app first, make sure your soundbar is up to date, make sure your Sonos Ace is up to date, and obviously select within the Sonos app, as you can see here, I've got the living room Sonos, which is this Sonos, selected, and you know, just make sure that you got everything in the app and you'll be good to go. So that's it. It's that simple. Comment below, tell me what you think, subscribe, ring that bell, and check out all my other videos too. You got questions, ask below, and I'll try to post a video response. Y'all have a good day. It works great. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.